Imagine yourself in this cheap 2020 Grand Cherokee Limited. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. Enjoy these notable features: bright white clear coat, engine, 3.6L V6 24 VVVT-UPG1 with ESS, STD, ECO suspension STD, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, STD, tires, 265/60R18 BSW ASLRR, STD, wheels, 18-inch x 8.0 inches tech gray diamond cut, STD, quick order package 2BH included, engine 3.6L V6 24 VVVT-UPG1 with ESS transmission, 8-speed automatic, 850RE, black leather trim bucket seats and rear-wheel drive. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test